and welcome to Banking Bytes, and I am Kush Pandey. In this particular session, this particular videos, we will take up topics that would be around 5 minutes, and in the 5 minutes video, you will get to understand the important topics that could be useful for everyone. So this particular video would be run on a daily basis, in which you learn in the next 5 minutes about important banking topics that do come in the examination. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और चर्चा करते हैं on the topics at hand. The topic at hand, guys, is nostro, vostro and loro. With the help of these diagrams हम समझाएंगे आपको कि nostro, vostro और loro क्या है. फर्स्ट बात करते हैं हम nostro की, फिर बात करेंगे vostro और फिर बात करेंगे हम loro की. अब before discussing further, understand that a loro, a nostro, a vostro is between two banks, one being a domestic bank in the same country and the other bank being a foreign bank in its own country. यहाँ पर आपने देखा कि SBI जो है जिसकी हम आज बात करेंगे, that is situated in India and Bank of America, guys, is in the US. So for example, if the SBI opens an account in the currency dollar in the Bank of America, for SBI this account will be called as a nostro account. Remember, we will only define the nostro, vostro and loro in terms of the Indian bank. तो अगर SBI अपना एक अकाउंट बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका में ओपन करता है in US dollars, that too in the US, not in India, that account would be called as a nostro account. The nostro account would be an overseas account. This account would be maintained in dollar, and the purpose of opening the account is for providing banking services to its customers abroad. हो सकता है कि SBI की कवरेज US में उतनी ना हो, इस अकाउंट के जरिए it is maintaining its own and the customers accounts in the US itself. तो ये है हमारा पहला पार्ट, that is nostro. तो याद रखिएगा, if an Indian bank opens an account in a foreign bank in a foreign country in their own currency, for example SBI opening account in the Bank of America in US, in which currency? In dollar, such an account for SBI would be called as a nostro account. इसी तर्ज पर बात करें और now let's turn the tables. Now what happens is that instead of SBI opening account in the Bank of America, the Bank of America, that is an American bank in the US, opens an account in rupees in India in the SBI. I'll again repeat, sir, हम यहाँ पर SBI के लिहाज से बात करेंगे. We'll discuss the definition in terms of the Indian bank's perspective. तो अगर एक इंडियन बैंक में किसी विदेशी बैंक ने अकाउंट ओपन किया रुपए में, उस अकाउंट को वो बैंक कहेगा vostro. So if an Indian bank opens an account overseas, that would be a nostro, and if any overseas bank, any foreign bank opens an account in rupees in an Indian bank in India, such an account would be called as a vostro. तो vice versa है, काफ़ी हद तक vice versa है, पर definition में याद रखिएगा, we are only focusing on the Indian context. ये हुआ आपका nostro and vostro. Remember guys, दोनों ही जो अकाउंट्स हैं, these are overseas accounts. They focus on penetration of the banking done by the Indian banks abroad. एक साइड पे हम देखते हैं कि बैंकिंग इंडिया की जा रही है बाहर, और एक साइड पे द बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका इज ट्राइंग टू ओपन एन अकाउंट इन एन इंडियन बैंक. तो दोनों में एक हुआ nostro और दूसरा हुआ vostro. Now, for example, if an Indian bank or any bank does not have any account in a foreign country, एक ऐसा बैंक है, मान लिया यहाँ पर हमने एग्जाम्पल दिया आपको PNB, जिसकी कोई भी ब्रांच, कोई भी अकाउंट नहीं है विदेश में, एंड इट रिक्वायर्स एन अकाउंट फॉर इट्स ओवरसीज और अब्रॉड ट्रांजैक्शंस. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि SBI opened an account in Bank of America in US in dollars. That account would be a nostro. Now if this account is used by PNB, this SBI's nostro will be converted into PNB's loro. So when a domestic bank uses the nostro account of another bank in a foreign country, that particular nostro account will be converted into a vostro. It will be converted into a loro. So let me just give you an idea again. We have three accounts: nostro, vostro and loro. For example, an Indian bank, when it opens an account in a foreign country, in a foreign bank, in their own currency, that will be a nostro. Similarly, a foreign bank when opens an account in an Indian bank in India in rupee, that account for the Indian bank would be a vostro. And if a domestic bank does not have any sort of account and requires an account for correspondence for banking, and if it uses a domestic bank's nostro account, that account would be a loro account. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पार्टीज 3 हैं, यहाँ दोनों में आपकी पार्टीज 2 हैं. So this is all about nostro, vostro and loro. You can comment in the comment section about what are the different doubts that you have regarding nostro, vostro and loro, and also do write in the comment section कि आप और कौन-कौन से टॉपिक्स पर हमारे बैंकिंग बाइट्स चाहते हैं, because this particular show, this particular small video focuses on making you understand the tidbits of banking in the shortest time possible. Thank you so much.